Hello, I am Miss Ann, and welcome to our virtual Marburg Mother's Day card program. In this program, we're going to make do-it-yourself Marburg cards that can be perfect for any occasion, including Mother's Day. For this activity, you will need a piece of cardstock cut in half, some shaving cream, 2 paper plates, a plastic spoon, some watercolor paints, and paper towels. The first thing you want to do is take your piece of cardstock and fold it in half so it looks like a card. Then you can go ahead and put that to the side. Next, take one of your pieces of paper plates and go ahead and cover it in a thin layer of shaving cream. You don't need a lot, but you want to make sure the whole sheet is solidly covered. Then, take your plastic spoon and spread it out so it makes a thin, even layer.
See how the paper plate is completely covered? That's what we're looking for.
Then you can go ahead and take a paper towel and clean off the shaving cream off the back of your plastic spoon to make sure that it's nice and clean. Then you're going to go ahead and take your watercolor paints and gently put dots of paint all over the shaving cream. You can use as much or as little as you want. Just make sure you save enough to do your second paper plate later as well. Then, once you have your paint dots, you're going to go ahead and take the tins of your spoon and use them to mix up and swirl the colors together. You want to make sure you move things around enough so that the colors make a nice tie-dye pattern, but if you do it too much, you will all have your colors mixed together, so be careful.
And so this is what it looks like when it's scanning. You see how you can see all the different colors? That's what we're looking for.
Now you're going to go ahead and take one side of your cardstock and hold it open so that it looks like it's at a 90-degree angle. Then take the outside of one part, stick it down, and hold it onto the shaving cream for about 30 seconds. You want to make sure that that part of the card is completely covered in shaving cream. That should be good. Then you're going to go ahead and gently peel it off. See now how there's shaving cream on here? Then you're going to go ahead and very gently hold it open and take a piece of paper towel and rub off the shaving cream. When you do this, you want to use nice, even strokes so that you get off all the shaving cream without smearing it. see how your color has stayed completely on the card? Now you're going to go ahead, leave the card out to the side, and then you're going to go ahead and put that paper plate away. Now we're going to repeat this with our other paper plate. So we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to make a different swirl pattern so that the two sides of the card look different. So go ahead and start again by covering your plate with shaving cream. So we wipe off the excess shaving cream and then we're going to smooth it out. Remember, just like before, you want a thin, even layer across all of the paper plate. And then wipe off the excess shaving cream with a paper towel. Then we're going to take our watercolor paints and add dots of paint over the shaving cream. Then, take your plastic spoon and mix the colors together so that they form a tie-dye pattern. But be sure to try not overmix it so that they don't completely blend together. You want to be able to see all the different colors. Okay. And now we're going to do what we did last time, except this time we're going to put the other side of the outside of the card down onto the shaving cream. Wait 30 seconds. Again, make sure the entire part of the card is covered with shaving cream. Okay, that should be good. So we gently peel it up. And we put it down, and then we're going to scrape off the shaving cream with the paper towel. So again, you want nice, even strokes. Then go ahead and double check that you didn't miss any parts of the shaving cream. Sometimes the edges might still have a little bit on there, so go ahead and check that.
Here is the outside of our card. See how the different sides look? Both beautiful but different at the same time? That's what we're looking for.
And there you have it. Now you're going to go ahead and put this in a sunny place to dry. I recommend a windowsill. And then once it's dry, it should look something like this. Then you can go ahead and decorate the inside of the card with whatever message you want. You can use any type of coloring supplies you think works best. And there you have it. Now you've made your very own card that's perfect for Mother's Day, but any other holiday as well. Thank you so much for joining us for this program. Be sure to take a picture of your card and email it to us at the Alsop Library's Youth Services email address. Also, make sure to stay tuned to the library's website for our upcoming summer reading programs. We hope to see you soon. Bye!
Hello, I am Miss Ann, And now we are going to talk about some amazing books you'll love to read. These are all books that you can check out from the Alsip Merrimack Park Public Library's Youth Services Department. To get these books, you can either come inside the building and come downstairs to the Youth Services Department and check them out from off the shelf, or you can email us or call us to have the books placed on hold for curbside pickup or home delivery. If you have any questions, please contact us and we will be happy to assist you. Because today's activity was about celebrating Mother's Day, today's books are all about celebration. Our first book is National Regular Average Ordinary Day by Lisa Katzenberger. Peter is bored and tired of playing the same old games all the time. So, after a fight with his friend, he discovers that every day is a special holiday and decides that each day he will celebrate the special day that it is. But then he finds out that celebrating a holiday each and every day can get tiresome too. Can Peter find a way to make regular, average, ordinary days special? This is a really fun story about how we like to have fun and what it means to be a good friend. Find out what the best days are in National Regular Average Ordinary Day by Lisa Katzenberger. Our next book is A Birthday for Cow by Jan Thomas. It's Cow's birthday, so Pig, Mouse, and Duck want to celebrate. Only they cannot agree on what the best way to celebrate is. Pig and Mouse want to celebrate by making Cow a cake, but Duck wants to celebrate by giving Cow a turnip. What's the best present? This is a laugh-out-loud funny story about celebrating birthdays. Be sure to grab your cakes and your turnips and read A Birthday for Cow by Jan Thomas. Our next book is Cutie Kong's Carnival Chaos by Shannon Penny. Twinkle thinks it's wonderful that all different Cutie Kong animals are coming to Poppy Paw Island to celebrate the Cutie Kong Carnival. But when the animals arrive, they're all different, and they are having a bit of trouble understanding one another. Can Twinkle use her magic to help all the different Cutie Kong animals get along? This is a great story about celebrating carnivals, but also about celebrating the differences that make each of us unique. It's a really fun and magical story, perfect for fans of My Little Pony. So if you like those fantasy book series, try Cutie Kong's Carnival Chaos by Shannon Penny. Our last book is Happy Birthday Everywhere by Arlene Albach. This is a really cool book that talks about how birthdays are celebrated in different countries all around the globe. Did you know that in Ecuador, it's common to have an afternoon tea party as their birthday party? Or that in Sudan, children often play the game The Sheep and the Hyena at a birthday party? These are the kinds of cool facts that you can find out in this really interesting book. It profiles different countries from all around the globe. And for each country, it also gives a recipe or an activity that you can do at home to learn how they celebrate. You can find out about lots of great traditions in Happy Birthday Everywhere by Arlene Albach. Remember, these are just a few of the many books about celebrations that we have for checkout at the Alsip Merrimack Park Public Library's Youth Services Department. If you have any questions or need help finding these or any other books, please contact us at the Youth Services Reference Desk, and we will be happy to assist you. I can't wait to hear from you. Bye!